Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles you can hold. To achieve this, we'll use a unique solution that creates incredibly strong and elastic bubble films. The key is a special polymer, which gives the bubbles their remarkable durability. You'll need to follow specific measurements carefully to ensure your solution works perfectly, allowing you to create and even gently hold these amazing bubbles. For our holdable bubble recipe, you will need 6 cups of warm water. Next, gently mix in 1 cup of your favorite dish soap. To give the bubbles extra strength and elasticity, add 1/2 cup of corn syrup. Finally, the most crucial ingredient is 1/4 cup of a specialized polymer solution. These precise proportions are essential for creating bubbles that are robust enough to be handled. Once all your ingredients are measured, it is important to mix them very gently. Stirring too vigorously will create excessive foam, which can weaken your bubbles. After mixing, let the solution rest undisturbed for at least 1 hour. This resting period is crucial. It allows all the ingredients to fully integrate and stabilize, resulting in a much stronger and more consistent bubble film. Patience here pays off. Now for the fun part, blowing and holding your bubbles. Always use a clean bubble wand for the best results. Dip your wand into the solution and blow slowly and steadily to create large, robust bubbles. Once a bubble forms, you can gently catch it on a gloved hand. The glove prevents the oils from your skin from popping the delicate film, allowing you to hold your amazing, durable bubbles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.